Acumatica provides best-in-class revenue management for small and mid-sized businesses across a wide range of industries and geographical locations. Automate sales order fulfillment, manage credit risk, record and execute customer contracts, and deliver on customer projects. Extend core features with leading business applications to maximize revenue and profitability, such as generating revenue from manufacturing sales, manage wholesale distribution order-to-cash business processes, and automate order fulfillment and financials for retail sales from brick-and-mortar or online commerce storefronts. Streamline service and project revenue cycles for construction and field services. Drive revenue by successfully engaging customers in fixed-price or time and material projects. Acumatica Order Management connects seamlessly to inventory, shipments, and invoicing. Bolster customer loyalty and create predictable cash flow with customer contracts. Efficiently create new projects in minutes utilizing project templates. Minimize credit risk with credit management, insights into account balances, and automated dunning letters. Maximize cash flow with multiple invoicing options. Improve brand loyalty and revenue with flexible payment options. Revenue management is an integral part of Acumatica's core business platform, providing best-in-class applications and industry editions for financials, project accounting, CRM, service management, financial reporting, business intelligence, payroll, construction, manufacturing, distribution, retail, and general business organizations. Optimize sales order processing by configuring settings to expedite data entry, pricing, freight, shipments, approval workflows, and invoice posting. Configure document-level settings for each order type used by your organization, including numbering sequences, general ledger accounts, intercompany sales accounts, and cost of goods sold. Automate transaction flows according to your organization's internal control policies for shipping, recording inventory transactions, and generating customer invoices. Contracts maximize revenue profitability and create predictable cash flows. Enhance operational efficiency with templates to pre-configure contracts based on type, such as the default duration, billing rules, item details, and more. Deferral schedules provide compliance with accounting standards to distribute prepaid revenue and expenses to their respective reporting periods. Alternatively, recurring transactions as a less formal way of generating revenue for recurring activities such as rent or lease payments. Create billing rules for fixed price or cost-plus projects to calculate pricing for materials, equipment usage, employee labor, subcontractor labor, general expenses, travel, and more. Quickly create new projects in minutes as opposed to days and weeks with project templates to streamline and standardize project options, tasks, and cost and revenue budgets. Acumatica's versatile project functionality empowers users to manage and track customer project revenue with detailed cost and profitability, and time and material cost tracking for internal projects. Increase brand loyalty and improve cash flow by offering customers flexible payment options, such as cash, checks, ACH and EFT, credit or debit cards, gift or loyalty cards, credit memos, and payment processing via the customer self-service portal, point-of-sale terminals, counter sales, or automated bank transactions. Minimize credit risk by establishing credit limits, performing credit checks, and consistently communicating customer balance activity. Use parent-child relationships to manage credit and apply payments to related party customer organizations with centralized accounting. Improve cash flow with up-to-date aging reports with drill downs to related transactions. Create early payment discounts or late payment fees to encourage on-time payments. Automate customer statement intervals and establish dunning letter templates for overdue invoices and consequences for continued non-payment. Comply with ASC 606 and IFRS 15 revenue recognition standards to recognize revenue on the change of ownership for inventory sales or when service is fulfilled. Recognize project revenue when completed or when milestones are achieved. Record billings received in advance of performance as unearned revenue that is converted to earned revenue during the project lifecycle. Know what's happening across your organization with role-based dashboards with drill downs to detailed transactions. Acumatica provides numerous standard reports, inquiries, and profitability analysis to evaluate customer performance. Connect to hundreds of partner applications for time tracking, e-commerce, sales tax, financial reporting and analytics, and more. Acumatica's flexible revenue management capabilities help organizations across a broad range of industries to maximize revenue and profitability while protecting cash flow with real-time credit verification, customer statement cycles, dunning letters, and more. Contact us today to schedule a personalized demonstration.